lazy Sunday and I've just had a happy lunch at my cousin's place. And I'm just so glad it's my off so I can just go home and get some good sleep. And with Super Shopper, all I know about Chennai is where to shop. So today I'm going to ignore all the shops around me and I'm just going to go look around the streets of Besant Nagar. And here I am, strolling around enjoying the beautiful weather. And then in the distance, I spot a tangy temptation. Though I said I'm full, there's always place for a Frankie.
Tell him.
Okay, एक chicken कीमा Frankie भैया. I gave in to the temptation. As I took my first bite into the Frankie, I spotted something else. So I walked further to see what it was that caught my eye. I walked in wondering what it was. And not hard to guess, it was a clothing store. I gave in to temptation once again and walked straight into the store. Sunday means family time, at least for me. If it's a Sunday, we all make it a point to spend time together. We catch a movie or we go discover a new restaurant, but most importantly, we go shopping. Now, shopping on any other day but Sunday is a crime. The favorite part of the week is the weekend, a time when you put your worries away and relax, unwind and do what you please. For me, it's about spending time with family. When I was a kid, Sunday was synonymous to getting out of home. More precisely, it was time to go shopping or at the least, window shopping. Shopping is a great way to spend time with family. It can be a stress buster and can bring the family closer. Interestingly, every family has a way of shopping. While some families take hours together, some finish it in a jiffy. But who better to shop with than someone who knows you so well?
Basically, this is a Sunday and I have come for some shopping for the Pongal festival. This is the second time I'm coming and there are a lot of varieties here. Collections are new. So I have purchased some clothes for my family, my wife and my children.
Sometimes when you go shopping with your family, you're shopping with a time constraint, and that's exactly when you all split up and go to different stores to find what you need. But you're spared of that trouble at Hemingway because you find clothes for all ages and for men, women and children. Hemingway is located on a main road in Besant Nagar. Though some of their clothes are quite smart, a few others are not too impressive. Bottom line, they have a wide selection, but whether it caters to your taste is one thing you will have to check out and decide. But there was one section that I liked the most, their Louis Philippe range of shirts. Whether you're wearing formal pants or a pair of jeans, these shirts can be worn with them to get you a sophisticated look. But if you're looking for something a little more economical, the store also has brands like Basics and lots others. When it comes to options in brand, Hemingway doesn't fall short. For men who are more experimental, there are a few shirts with floral prints, but I would not risk buying them as not many men I know choose to wear them. I am more comfortable with buying a striped or checked shirt or even better, a plain white one. My all-time favorites are neckties. They have always been my first option as gifts for my cousin brothers and friends. But that I had to let go as they have very few options here. There's one piece of clothing that every family member will have, and that's a pair of jeans. Now, depending on what you team it up with, they're perfect for every family gathering and outing. I still wonder how jeans have stayed so popular through the years. No matter how many different kinds of clothes come into fashion, jeans never go out of style. One reason I can think of is that they are versatile and sturdy. But there's something else quite as comfortable as a pair of denim pants but go unnoticed often. Corduroy pants. They are comfortable and are a good buy if you're bored of wearing jeans.
On those days when you just don't know what to wear, pull up a pair of jeans and wear a simple kurta over it and nothing can go wrong with your look.
Jeans are regarded so highly because they can be teamed with almost anything: a top, shirt, t-shirt or kurta. There are a lot of options here when it comes to kurtas. Though finding simple ones is a little harder, if you like work and embroidery on your kurta, then you're sure to find what you need. It used to feel awful when I used to see someone wearing the same clothes as I. That's when I started believing in dress materials. If there's a particular size, style or cut you need, you can opt for the material than the ready-made ones and stitch it to suit your requirements.
When we were kids, we didn't know what we wore. Honestly, we didn't care about it. But kids now are so fashion conscious and are extremely picky about what they wear. Talk about generation gap.
It's so much more harder now to shop for kids with them being around. They know exactly what they want and even how they want to wear it. But if you still wish to bring your kids along, this store is a safe bet. They have a lot of variety when it comes to kids' clothing. Since appearance is the only thing that matters to kids, we have to take into consideration the fabric, price and comfort level.
Every boy in the family is bound to be a sports fan, whether it's cricket, hockey, basketball or football. And one thing they'd never say no to is jerseys.
Boys and sports. There has been an age-old love story between the two. And if they are die-hard fans, they're sure to own a jersey or would want to buy one.
It's hard to find infant clothes unless it's a baby shop. But that's what's different about this store. Though the collection is less, they do have a few clothes for infants. And while shopping for infants, make sure that the material is soft and baby friendly.
Baby clothes are absolutely adorable. Hemingway has a decent range of clothing for infants, and the good part, they're all made of cotton and aren't overpriced. Synthetic clothing, on the other hand, can irritate your baby's skin. Since babies tend to grow out of their clothes soon, it's advisable to buy something that is loose-fitting and more comfortable.
After all the family shopping talk that I did, I came shopping alone. Well, this has all got me hungry now and I'm going to go buy myself another Frankie. Bye.